This is a one-owner 2014 Chevy Malibu LS trim package. It has 4 cylinders with 2.5 liters. You can view the auto check report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. It has aluminum alloy rims. I'm going to zoom in so you can see the tread on the tires. Let's see, there we go. Let's go inside. The interior is in excellent condition. There are no tears or stains or rips, holes anywhere. And you have the nice rubber floor mats to help protect the carpets. Here is the passenger seat. And here's the driver's seat. There are no caution or warning lights on. The miles is reading low at 52,444. Your phone controls and volume control. There's your cruise control. And your lights, power locks, power windows. And let's see. There's your audio, climate. There's your traction control. Yep. Then in here you have your 12-volt port and an auxiliary port. If you are looking for a low mileage sedan to travel around in, come into Onyx Auto Sales to take this Chevy Malibu out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.